Steps to turn your Windows 10 laptop into a wireless hotspot in 2 minutes or less. Connectify Hotspot is a true virtual router software app for Windows 10 computers. Not only you can share your internet connection with other devices such as smartphone, tablet, media player, game console, e-reader, other laptops or computers, and even your nearby friends. By far, the most popular functionality for Connectify Windows 10 Hotspot software is the Wi-Fi internet sharing. Here's how you can turn your Windows 10 computer into a Wi-Fi hotspot. 1. Download and install the latest version of Connectify Hotspot on your laptop or PC. 2. Give your hotspot a name, SSID, and password. In releases since Hotspot 2019, you can even add emojis and special characters to your hotspot name. 3. Press the Start Hotspot button to share your internet connection. Make sure you have the ad blocker option selected, to save bandwidth, money and battery life. 4. Connect your devices. Any Wi-Fi enabled devices can connect to your hotspot.